Alright, section 4, the nucleus and ribosomes. The nucleus is the command center of the cell. Generally it's found in the middle, and it's separated from the cytoplasm by a nuclear envelope, which is just like the cell membrane, the outer layer, but it has nuclear pores, which allow an exchange between the nucleoplasm, which is like the cytoplasm, but it's just inside the nucleus, and the cytoplasm. So it allows certain things to go in and out. It contains chromatin in a semi-fluid nucleoplasm, which is like a jelly or like jello. Chromatin is where the DNA is found. It contains nucleic acids and proteins. When the cell divides, it condenses to form chromosomes. And those chromosomes contain genetic information. Inside the nucleus, there's a region called the nucleolus, which is a darker color inside the nucleus, and it is composed of rRNA, or ribosomal RNA, and its job is to make ribosomes, which are the protein factories. So here we have the structure of the nucleus. Here's the cell. Here's a closer view. You can see the pores on the outside, allowing things to move in and out. And here we have the nucleolus. If we look really close, this is the structure of the nuclear pores, allowing things in and out. And here we have actual diagrams, actual photographs using electron microscopes showing those nuclear pores on the nucleus. Ribosomes are composed of rRNA. They have a large subunit and a small subunit, and both of those are made in the nucleolus. Once those subunits are made, they're shipped out through those nuclear pores and go into the cytoplasm. Here, they may attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, making it the rough endoplasmic reticulum, or it can be found floating in the cytoplasm, either by itself or in groups called polyribosomes. The job of the ribosome is to make protein. They are the site of protein synthesis, which that process is called transcription and translation. Translation occurs at the ribosome. The transcription occurs in the nucleus, and we're going to talk about both of those processes in more detail later on in the year. So information from a gene is copied into mRNA, which is transported into the cytoplasm. That's transcription. The ribosome then gets that message and it translates it into a protein. All right, we're not going to work a whole lot on that in this chapter, just giving you a little heads up. This process is called the central dogma of molecular biology, going from a copy of DNA to mRNA to the protein sequence. That's the central dogma. Once again, we're going to spend a lot more time working on that later on this year. And the function of the ribosome is to make protein. This process we're going to go into a lot of detail later on this year. I'm not going to ask you to learn all of that just yet. And that's it for this video. If you have questions, let me know.